Hi and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to make some scones, and I'm making plain and some with sultanas in. Now the mix I've done, well, the amount is different to what I read out because I just wanted to make a few more extra because I was giving these away to friends and family. So I'll read out the normal amounts, but obviously what I've got in the bowls is more. Do you know what I mean? Of course you do. And with these ones, I did 2 lots because the first lot I wasn't happy with how they turned out. Not taste-wise were fine. It was just because they were gifts. I wanted them to be more uniformed and, you know, nice. Because it was a present, so I wanted it to be right. So yeah, I really hope you have a go. Yeah, thanks to everyone that's subscribed and have liked any of our videos. We do this for you guys, and it's just brilliant when we see your reactions. So yeah, so let's go on with the vlog and let's get baking. Welcome back to our channel, and today's little bake we're going to be making scones, as I've been asked to do some for some people. So once again I've done extra measurements because I'm making a bit more. So the ingredients I read out, the measurements are not the same as what I've got here. Hopefully they should be easy enough. So once we've made these, we'll be going on a little delivery spree, won't we? Right, so you will need 450 grams of self-raising flour, 2 level teaspoons of baking powder, 50 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of softened butter cut into pieces, 2 free-range eggs, some milk and some sultanas if you want to put them in. If not, don't bother. Okie dokie. Right, so let's do this. Also, you need to prepare your baking trays. You can either grease them or put grease-proof paper down, and preheat your oven to 220. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the flour and the baking powder and sugar into a large bowl. Then I'm going to add the butter and rub it with my fingertips until it resembles breadcrumbs. You've seen us do this before. So now what we're going to do is you're going to put your eggs, so normally you'd have 2 eggs in a bowl, and then fill it up so you've got the total liquid up to 300 milliliters. So because I'm doing 1.5 of the measurements, I'm going to put mine up to 450 with 3 eggs in. So you would be 2 eggs and up to 300 mils, if you get what I mean. So there's my eggs. Then we're going to add this into here. I might just quickly give it a whiz round so the yolk's broken. I'm going to put that into there and mix it into a sticky dough. I always add a little at a time as well when I'm doing this, because you might not need all the mixture. Now you're going to put your dough onto a floured surface, and this is where I'm going to roll it out, knead it maybe a bit more, and then cut them. So I'm going to use a cutter about that big. Okay, so because I'm doing some with sultanas in, some not, I'm going to divide this. Doesn't have to be equal because I think a lot of them will have it with sultanas in. So that could be for your sultanas. No, this could be sultanas, that could be plain. So once you've got your scones ready, you're then going to get a little mixture of egg and milk, if you've got some left over from the bit before, and you're just going to brush the tops. And then these are going to go in the oven for about 15 minutes or until golden brown. So this is my second lot of scones because I wasn't happy with the way the first lot was, so I've just repeated what I did before, and yeah, they turned out really well. So these are in for about 10-15 minutes, something like that, and they smell good, they look good. So yes, impressed. So I'm going to wait for them to cool, box them up and ship them out. Go and deliver them. So these were the first lot that came out, and apparently they taste really nice, but I just didn't like the look of them. Because I'm giving them away, I want them to look nice and uniformed like that. Is that OCD, do you reckon?
Yeah, that's OCD.
So we've got the chief taste tester here. Which would you like? The first batch or the second batch? Bum, 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 bum.
Going first batch.
Okay.
First batch. Here we go. Just split it.
Are you having anything on it?
I've tried just the scone by itself. Just need butter. But yeah, it's quite delicious.
What about trying the second batch as well?
I've got to eat this first batch yet.
You could just taste that one for now and then eat them as you will.
Next thing I'll have to eat. She's trying to make me fat.
So you like them then? They taste alright?
Yeah, they're really nice, huh?
Lovely. 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 Okay, so just put some butter on.
Yeah, take two with butter. Ready?
So they're good?
Yeah, really good. I like it.
You know what we've got to do now, don't you?
What?
We've got to go and deliver them.
Dum 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 dum.
Bum.
Let me finish this one first.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the scone vlog. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And if you got anything to say, Beth?
Just the usual. Take care of each other out there. Remember, like, share and subscribe as always.
Yep.
And we'll see you guys in the next vlog.